How to add signature in Adobe Acrobat. Alright, let's jump straight into adding your signature in Adobe Acrobat. It's easier than you might think. Let's first open the document you want to sign. I already have opened mine. After opening the document, you will see this type of interface. Now, what you have to do is simply find the signature icon, which you can see over here on your left hand side option. Tap on it. You will see two options over here. There's add a signature and add a initials. Tap on it, then you will be taken to this type of interface where you can either type or draw or even add an image from file manager. Right now I'm going to type, so it have written my name over here. After you are okay with the sign, simply tap on apply, which is over here. Tap on it, then you will see my sign over here. Now place it where you want. For example, I want to place it over here. Simply tap on okay over here and it's done. And that's it, you have added a signature. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.